Hey guys, today it is very interesting day because friend of mine just bought this Kawasaki Ninja. I don't know the year yet. I haven't checked it out to see what year is manufactured, but actually doesn't work the front left blinker over here, and I think if I have the chance I'm gonna check it out what is going on. Otherwise, this is the first time actually that I have the chance to be close to working bike like this one, because I have the one that I bought, but that one doesn't work, and I just made one short spin with it, and the bike is 600 cc. The power is 120 horsepower, and it is very exciting because, at least for me, it is because I haven't driven something as powerful as this bike, and it is very interesting. So I wanted to share this with you. Unfortunately, I don't have action camera around. Still haven't got the chance to buy one, so I can't make a proper test to show you how this thing runs, but at least I can start it and let you hear how this thing sounds, because it is very interesting, very impressive. Okay. So it sounds like this. I think this exhaust probably it is aftermarket, I don't know. I basically don't know anything about this bike. It just came in, so I had the chance to check the oil level, the brake fluid levels, and basically this was all. So yeah, if you are a fan like me on bikes like this, you probably are gonna appreciate it. But no, I just wanted to quickly show you this. If I have the chance to make a proper test on this thing, I'm gonna jump to the opportunity and share that with you as well. But this is all for now. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.